What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm just going to give you my analysis for a handful of Forex pairs, and we're also going to be taking a look at Bitcoin and Dogecoin. So for those of you that don't know me, my name is Pep and I'm here to make you a better and more confident trader using simple techniques and strategies. Now, as always, if you can do me a massive favour, if you're new to the channel, please do me a massive favour, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and that's going to help the channel reach more people. A fairly slow week in the Forex markets this week. Also, crypto, there's a lot of fear in the market at the moment. We're kind of consolidating and ranging, especially on the daily time frame. But I'm going to give you my analysis on, like I said, on a handful of Forex pairs. We're going to look at Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and hopefully you can apply some of the techniques and strategies that you learn in this video to your own trading strategies. So less of the talk and let's jump into the video. Okay, let's start on euro dollar. So I'm on the daily chart at the moment. Now, as you can see here, today looks like a fairly bearish day. It's going to be interesting where this current candle closes. If we start closing below this wick here, then I do imagine we'll retest this low here. But yeah, this is going to be really key. We're kind of stuck in this range at the moment on the daily time frame. We've retested this high, which I identified in a previous video. So yeah, with this one, it's best to be patient on the daily time frame. Wait for this candle to close to see which direction this is going to take us in. If we do start to close below this wick here, then I imagine we will retest these lows. And that'll open up some good short opportunities, especially for day trading, to try and ride this down, back down to the 1207 level. Now let's have a quick look for any day trading opportunities on the 1 hour time frame. Now again, we've broken this low here. So one possible day trading opportunity you could find here is you would wait for a further breakdown, then you can either trade the pullback into previous support turned resistance, and then you can look for short positions here to trade back down to this low here. Or what you could do is you could trade a flag pattern, for example, so you'd see some sort of consolidation like this, and then you'd trade the breakout. But like I said, this is for the same as a daily time frame. You want to be patient with this pair at the moment, just especially on the 1 hour, just wait for price to do its thing before you start looking for short positions. On the 1 hour, I wouldn't really be inclined to take any long positions until we retest this low here, where you could then look for long positions up here, back up to the 121.6 level. Okay, let's look at pound dollar quickly. So this probably is going to be similar to euro dollar. Again, we're still stuck in this range. So, this is a good opportunity, especially for day trading on the 4 hour and below. You can start trading in between these ranges, looking for long positions here and shorts here. Now, looking at the daily time frame only, if we start breaking below this wick here, that's going to open up this low here. So again, you could see that could be a 75 pip move, depending on where you enter in. But at the moment, we're still stuck in this range. Again, you've got to be patient here. Still looking bearish for today. Let's jump to the 1 hour. Again, as we retrace back down to the bottom end of this range, this will be a great opportunity to look for longs with the correct candlestick pattern setups. And then again, you ride this back up to the top of the range. At a minimum, you'd have maybe first take profit level here. Then, you could possibly have second take profit level here and maybe a third take profit level here. But again, we're kind of stuck in the middle of nowhere here, so you want to be patient again. Wait for price to retrace back to the 141 level and just see what happens here. Let's jump to the 5 minute. Again, not much going on the 5 minute. You could possibly look for, let's just mark this low in here. On the 5 minute, what you could do, price could just rally back down in a straight line. But if you see this type of price action starts consolidating, then again, you could look for a break back down to this low here. Now on the 5 minute time frame here, we're below all the moving averages, so below the 200, 50 and 20. So yeah, looking very bearish at the moment on the 5 minute time frame. So yeah, some good day trading opportunities here to try and ride this back down to this low here. Okay, let's look at dollar CAD. Let's start on the weekly here. Again, I've already plotted this zone in. Let me get it in again. So yeah, on the weekly time frame, this is looking at a really strong support level. We saw a massive rally from this level in September 2017. So, this will more than likely hold up, but again, we're going to see if, well, we're currently testing this level at the moment, so we're going to see if this holds up or not. But this was a really strong move. If we do break this level here, then yeah, we could see price make its way back down to this level here, which is the 1.11 level. But again, that type of move is a huge move, so that would be over the course of probably months to years, possibly. But at the moment, we're retesting this level, and I'd honestly be more inclined to look for long positions here, especially swing trading opportunities. So this is the daily time frame at the moment here. And what you could look for here, we have this kind of wedge pattern. So what I would do, especially looking for swing trades, is wait for price to break out of here to the upside, wait for a pullback, and then start to trade it back up to the 123 level. Now, in regards to this channel, this could be a good opportunity to maybe look for shorts, especially at a short-term basis. So looking at day trades or maybe some scalping this. Let's jump to the 1 hour. So yeah, we've got a really nice descending trend line here. Multiple touches. Kind of one there. False breakout here. Another touch here. Didn't quite reach it there, but look, we're retesting this trend line again. And you could trade this back down to this last low here, or maybe this low here. Again, 5-minute time frame, this is going to paint the same picture. We're still in an uptrend here. But as you can see, we are consolidating here on the 5-minute time frame. So what you could do is look for a breakout trade to the downside. As soon as we break these lows here, then again, that's going to expose these lows here to try and catch a trend. You could look at something like this and maybe have a trailing stop loss each time you make a new lower low. Okay, so let's have a look at Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Where are we? Crypto, Bitcoin. Again, I identified this on one of my last videos. This support level here looks to be holding up nicely. Again, we're still stuck in this range. So any day trading opportunities, you can flick to the 4 hour down to the 5-minute time frame. And look to maybe trade this range. Look for shorts at the top, longs at the bottom here. But yeah, we are consolidating here on the daily time frame. So I'll drop down to the 1 hour. Again, what you want to do here is wait for price to retest these highs. Look for shorts here, and then you can try and ride this back down to the bottom end of the range. Again, that's going to be exactly the same with a 5-minute time frame. Just clear this range a minute. Again, with the 5-minute time frame here, could maybe look for long positions. Probably no, forget that. It's probably best to be patient. Wait for price to either reach here. Maybe a bit risky looking for long positions on the 5-minute time frame. If you really were inclined to look for any opportunities on the 5-minute, then we've got this support level here. Again, what you want to do is wait for price to reach this level. This could, 200 MA could act as another dynamic support. So you've got this support level here, and you've got the dynamic support of the 200 MA. So that could be even more confluence for this type of trade to come in. And again, you'd ride it back to this high here, or you'd have second take profits here as well. So let's take a look at Dogecoin as well. This is very similar to Bitcoin. We have this shelf here at the moment. This has acted as support. This has held up multiple times. We've actually had a good few days of bullish momentum here. Now what we're doing at the moment on Dogecoin is we look to be retesting this resistance level here. So in the past we moved up here, we had a big wick here, another wick here, and then we moved back down and then we moved to the downside, So again, you could look for short opportunities here, back down to this support level here. But again, this is a key moment for Dogecoin. You know, are we going to be breaking new high, well, most recent new highs? So clearing, are we going to clear these wicks here, make a move to the upside, trade a pullback, and catch another trend to the upside to retest these highs here? Or is this going to act as resistance again, which you can then start to look for swing trading and day trading opportunities here? So again, on a daily time frame, you just need to be patient. Let's look at the 1 hour here. Again, we could be looking at a triple top here. So here we have the triple top. So we have 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. Let's see if we have any divergence. So yeah, we have RSI, bearish RSI divergence here as well. So if you look here, we're flat on this triple top and we've got divergence here on the RSI. So more than likely, you know, we won't be creating any, you know, new highs. Well, for most recent time anyway, we probably won't be breaking this high and we will see some resistance at this level. But what also could happen, obviously, that's not guaranteed. What also could happen is, again, we're stuck in this range at the moment. If you're looking for long positions, you'd wait for price to break out this range, look for a pullback into this zone here, then try and catch the next move or the next trend upwards. So that's it for this week's analysis. I hope you found that useful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section. Now remember guys, please subscribe to the channel. Again, that's going to help me out so much. And if you want me to cover any specific pairs or cryptocurrencies, please let me know and I'll happily do that in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day guys. Cheers.